Do you suffer from not being able to get it in? To neutral, that is. Well, we're going to solve that problem tonight with a new gear selector from Thrashin Supplies.
I reckon that's right.
That's neutral.
Already, straight away. What a difference, eh?
Neutral.
We've all had it. The dreaded can't find neutral. Well, tonight we're going to fix that problem. Alright, so we've all had the difficulty of getting the bike into neutral, and this new gear changer from Thrashin Supplies apparently changes that and makes it absolutely fantastic. So let's give it a try. Simply a matter of removing 3 bolts and replacing the original gear selector. So let's pull it apart, put it together and see what the result is, eh? Removing 3 nuts. Here, here and here. Take that one off. Perfect. Right, washers on this side. There we go, old one removed. Alright, so that was simply a matter of removing the gear shift spline, disconnecting it from the gear shifter rod and removing the original. Very easy job. And replacing it with the new one, which as you can see is slightly shorter in length, about 10mm shorter. Alright, so the last thing to do basically is to put it all back together the way it was. A little bit of Loctite on the nut on the gear shaft, and then before we finish we'll adjust the foot lever to suit my foot, because depending on the type of riding boots you have and the way you like to change gears, the height of it will be slightly different. I actually want to lower mine from what it was, so we'll fix that up once we've got everything else back in place. So it's simply a matter of putting the new gear shifter on. So it doesn't matter when you're putting it on, because you know, it'll rotate, so length doesn't matter apparently. So let's get her in there. Okay, cool. And we should be able to put that back in there like that. This one here. Yeah. Alright, so 1 drop of Loctite. Alright, oh, there we go. The washer that's supplied with it actually goes into the shifter arm. Start it off. Alright. All right. Last but not least, is to put this in a position where I think it's going to be now. Good.
Did you turn on your GoPro?
Huh?
GoPro.
I'll just check that. No, that's too low. I want to go slightly higher. That's better. Let's jump on, have a look, and see what difference that makes. Currently the bike is in neutral. Let's take it out of neutral.
I reckon that's right.
That's neutral.
Already, straight away. What a difference, eh?
Neutral.
Let's try and get it back into neutral. Bang. Second. Bang. First. Neutral. That's decisive. That's a heck of a change. That is a heck of a change. Straight in each time. So that's it. About a 5-minute fix. The Thrashin supplies gear selector and 3 bolts. That's all it takes. And you've got rid of that issue of not being able to get it into neutral. So I'll put all the links in the show notes as to where you can find it on the net. And it seems to me that it solved the problem. So good work, Thrasher. We'll see you on the next one. Ciao. We've all had the same problem. What? I'm starting it. Do you suffer from not being able to get it in?
A few minutes later.
Do you suffer from not being able to get it in? Do you suffer from not being able to get it in? To neutral, that is. Well, we're going to solve that problem tonight with a new gear selector from Thrasher Supplies. Have you also had the same problem as me? No, you got... Do you suffer from the same problem?
Do you suffer?
Let me finish what I'm saying, fuck's sake. Listen, this is like this one. You like this one?
From herpes?
These still going to be banned from the fucking studio. Do you suffer from the same problem? Do you have difficulty getting it in?
He's going to show you how to get it in.
Hey?
That's what she said.
I'm going with that, I like that. Have you also suffered from the same problem? Difficulty in getting it in? Into neutral, that is. We're going to fix that problem tonight with a new gear selector from Thrasher Supplies. Let's put it on, let's see what it does.